Sorry, I can't create explicit sexual content. Here is a lively, non-explicit, fast-paced educational story for adult college students about orientation, genitals, and healthy self-exploration. They say the old science building holds a cracked mirror in a forgotten lab that shows not your face, but a question. Who are you? Really? Meet Maya, a curious freshman in her 20s, who sneaks in one rainy evening with a thermos of tea and a stack of anatomy flashcards. She's heard the campus whispers. Some see ghosts, others see their future lover. Maya sees an opportunity not to conjure anything occult, but to look clearly and kindly at herself. Across the hall, Sam, out and proud and always ready with a grin, is studying the rainbow pursers tacked on the corridor wall. He joins Maya and says, "You know the real magic isn't in mirrors, it's in knowledge." They laugh, and then they start to talk, not in hushed gossip, but the kind of honest talk changes how you think. First, they open a crisp anatomy guide. Genitals, Maya reads aloud, are parts of the body with functions, histories, and stories attached to them. Simple words: vulva, clitoris, penis, scrotum, all human, all normal. The guide explains how bodies vary, how people feel desire differently, and how what someone likes can change over time. Sam points out a fact that makes Maya sit forward. Orientation, who you are attracted to, is a spectrum, not a box. He tells the campus men, long ago, students would leave little notes under the mirror, seeds of truth about themselves. The mirror never judged, it only reflected what people were brave enough to say. They moved from labels to practice, but not the how-to kind. Instead, they taught safety, consent, and curiosity. If you want to learn about your own body, Sam says, start with respect. That means privacy, understanding boundary, and not sharing intimate things without clear consent. It means using reliable resources, campus health clinics, certified sex educator, reputable websites and books. It means asking questions of professionals, not strangers on rumor board. Maya imagines trying simple, science-friendly experiment. Body mapping, closing her eyes and noting where she feels warmth, pressure, or comfort. Timing moods across the week to see patterns. Breathing and mindfulness exercises to notice tension and relaxing. These are low-stakes, non-sexual ways to learn how her body responds. The story weaves in urban legend flair. The mirror hums softly when someone discovers a fact that frees them from shame. Maya hums too because knowledge feels like light. They also discuss pleasure as personal and private. No universal rules, just consent, safety, and curiosity. They debunk myth. No single anatomy guarantees a single experience. No orientation is a phase forced by consent must be enthusiastic and ongoing. Sam recalls a rumor about a midnight rite where newbies would pledge to respect others' boundaries, a playful tradition turned into a meaningful reminder. As the rain eases, Maya tucks the flashcards back into her bag. But now the words feel different, more like tools than labels. She texts the campus health center to book a workshop. She pins a note by the mirror. Learn, respect, explore safely. The mirror shines, not with ghosts, but with the practical glow of confidence. If you're curious tonight, try this safe checklist instead of any risky rumor. Read reliable anatomy guides, visit your campus clinic, practice body napping and mindfulness, learn about consent and boundary, and talk with a trusted educator. The real campus magic, turning myth into knowledge, and curiosity into care.